everyone, and welcome back to Slow Speak English channel, where learning English is easy and fun.
Do you cook food?
Yes, I cook food.
Can you cook rice?
Yes, I can cook rice.
Do you like cooking?
Yes, I like cooking.
Do you clean your room?
Yes, I clean my room.
Do you walk every day?
Yes, I walk every day.
Do you exercise?
Yes, I exercise.
Do you read books?
Yes, I read books.
Do you like learning?
Yes, I like learning.
Do you use a phone?
Yes, I use a phone.
Do you have a computer?
Yes, I have a computer.
Do you use the internet?
Yes, I use the internet.
Do you send emails?
Yes, I send emails.
Do you like social media?
Yes, I like social media.
Do you take photos?
Yes, I take photos.
Do you travel by bus?
Yes, I travel by bus.
Do you travel by train?
Yes, I travel by train.
Do you like walking?
Yes, I like walking.
Do you like running?
Yes, I like running.
Are you busy today?
Yes, I am busy today.
Are you free tomorrow?
Yes, I am free tomorrow.
Can I help you?
Yes, please help me.
Can you help me?
Yes, I can help you.
Can I sit here?
Yes, you can sit here.
Can I come in?
Yes, please come in.
Can you wait?
Yes, I can wait.
Can you repeat?
Yes, I can repeat.
Can you speak slowly?
Yes, I can speak slowly.
Do you understand?
Yes, I understand.
Do you agree?
Yes, I agree.
Do you disagree?
No, I do not disagree.
Are you sure?
Yes, I am sure.
Are you confused?
No, I am not confused.
Are you scared?
No, I am not scared.
Are you excited?
Yes, I am excited.
Do you like this place?
Yes, I like this place.
Do you like this room?
Yes, I like this room.
Do you like this food?
Yes, I like this food.
Do you like this song?
Yes, I like this song.
Do you like this book?
Yes, I like this book.
Do you like this movie?
Yes, I like this movie.
Do you like your life?
Yes, I like my life.
Are you thankful?
Yes, I am thankful.
Are you kind?
Yes, I am kind.
Are you honest?
Yes, I am honest.
Are you friendly?
Yes, I am friendly.
Are you patient?
Yes, I am patient.
Do you try your best?
Yes, I try my best.
Do you believe in yourself?
Yes, I believe in myself.
Do you love your family?
Yes, I love my family.
Do you respect others?
Yes, I respect others.
Do you help people?
Yes, I help people.
Do you share things?
Yes, I share things.
Do you listen carefully?
Yes, I listen carefully.
Do you speak politely?
Yes, I speak politely.
Do you like studying English?
Yes, I like studying English.
Do you practice daily?
Yes, I practice daily.
Do you read English words?
Yes, I read English words.
Do you write in English?
Yes, I write in English.
Do you listen to English audio?
Yes, I listen to English audio.
Do you watch English videos?
Yes, I watch English videos.
Do you speak English with friends?
Yes, I speak with friends.
Do you want fluent English?
Yes, I want fluent English.
Are you learning now?
Yes, I am learning now.
Are you improving?
Yes, I am improving.
Do you feel confident?
Yes, I feel confident.
Do you feel better?
Yes, I feel better.
Are you motivated?
Yes, I am motivated.
Are you focused?
Yes, I am focused.
Are you strong?
Yes, I am strong.
Are you hopeful?
Yes, I am hopeful.
Do you like your progress?
Yes, I like my progress.
Do you want success?
Yes, I want success.
Do you work for your goal?
Yes, I work for my goal.
Do you believe in hard work?
Yes, I believe in hard work.
Do you enjoy learning?
Yes, I enjoy learning.
Do you like practice time?
Yes, I like practice time.
Do you like simple English?
Yes, I like simple English.
Do you like slow English?
Yes, I like slow English.
Do you learn step by step?
Yes, I learn step by step.
Do you learn every day?
Yes, I learn every day.
Do you want to speak better?
Yes, I want to speak better.
Do you want to understand better?
Yes, I want to understand better.
Do you want to grow more?
Yes, I want to grow more.
Do you want to continue learning?
Yes, I want to continue learning.
Are you proud of yourself?
Yes, I am proud of myself.
Are you learning something new?
Yes, I am learning something new.
Are you moving forward?
Yes, I am moving forward.
Are you doing your best?
Yes, I am doing my best.
Are you happy with learning?
Yes, I am happy with learning.
Do you enjoy speaking English?
Yes, I enjoy speaking English.
Do you enjoy practicing daily?
Yes, I enjoy practicing daily.
Do you love English?
Yes, I love English.
Are you ready for more practice?
Yes, I am ready for more practice.
Are you ready to learn more English?
Yes, I am ready to learn more English.
How is the weather today?
The weather is very good today.
Do you draw or paint?
No, I'm not artistic.
Do you take photos?
Yes, with my phone.
Do you play games?
Sometimes on my phone.
How do you go to work?
I take the bus.
How do you cook rice?
I boil it in water.
How do you use this phone?
Press the power button to turn it on.
How do you study English?
I practice speaking every day.
How do you feel today?
I feel great.
How was your weekend?
It was fun.
How is the weather?
It's sunny and warm.
Did you do your homework?
Yes, I am doing my homework.